Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today, of course, is the second Tuesday of the month of March 2025, which means it is Patch Tuesday or Security Update Tuesday. And in Windows 11, of course, we have updates depending on 24H2 or 23H2 where you are at. The KB numbers are different, so if you go and check out your settings, go into your update, Windows Update, and of course check updates. In my case, it's installed, so update history. There's a cumulative update for Windows 11. The KB 505.35.98 is for 24H2. I also had a security update for .NET 8, which is probably not everybody that has it. It depends if you've got it installed. If you're on 23H2, the KB number is different. It's KB 505.36.02, as 23H2 is different. So, of course, this fixes a lot of security flaws this month. Once again, we'll have a highlight of all the different security flaws in a specific video for all versions. And, well, it also has an update for what's called the servicing stack. And the servicing stack is a update simply for, tweaking Windows Update itself, basically. So once you have it installed, if you go to the WinVer command for a Windows version, on 24H2, you will end up with 26100.3476. If you're on 23H2, the update will bring you 22631.5039. So this is, of course, going to be the updates for Windows 11 for the Patch Tuesday of March 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.